Hey everybody, this is Blazy903. If you're new to the channel, please hit like and smash that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 3 relatively inexpensive modifications that you can do to your Fiat 124 Spider and your MX5. Those 3 modifications are the stubby, door trimming, and interior colored trimming. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. And here is the stubby antenna. The one mod I believe every MX5 and Fiat 124 Spider should do. This was, I believe, $30 on Amazon. Don't quote me, but it was about $30. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It should be relatively easy. It's a twist off, as you can see, and twist on. And let's go ahead and open the stubby real quick to see how it's packaged. You get this little advertisement with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. This is how it's packaged. It's made in the USA. Thumbs up. Kudos to CravenSpeed for sending me the stubby so quickly. And this should be a simple twist off. And screw on. Let's go ahead and make sure it's tight and that the word stubby is off to the side. Twist, there you go. Done. Took what, 30 seconds? And it took that long because I'm holding the camera. But I'm definitely gonna keep this antenna just in case there's some reception issues here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a ride in the car and test out how the reception is and make sure I don't have any interruptions with my satellite radio and just some local stations. It would be a drag if I was driving around without being able to listen to my tunes. This particular vehicle is fitted with the 9-speaker Bose system, which sounds amazing whether you're in highway speeds or cruising around the neighborhood. If you don't have the Bose upgraded system, you're definitely missing out. It's more than adequate. From when you're going 80 miles an hour on the highway with the top down, you can hear everything crystal clear. And it obviously is most certainly adequate when you're driving around town. So I will definitely, before the video is over, take a test drive and make sure that I can fill you guys in on whether the stubby is worth the buy or not. And I just wanted to give you a quick visual of how small the stubby is compared to the antenna that comes with the 124 Spider and your MX5. So I took the car out for a few hours to test out the reception of the stubby, and keeping in mind that I have satellite radio and I live in Longview, Texas, I would like to report back and say that the stubby has really good reception in my area. So I find no difference between the new antenna and the OEM. In addition to the stubby, I also bought this white door trim in an effort to protect my door edging. So it's gonna go right around this edging here, and I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. And here's a quick look at the instructions. The only tools you're gonna need is a rubber mallet and a blade to cut off the excess. I went ahead and trimmed it to size. The color is definitely different than what's on the 124 Spider, but we'll see what it looks like installed. And that's it. Don't know why I called for a rubber mallet. Didn't need it, as you saw. I went in just fine with pressing with my finger. Okay, spider lovers and car enthusiasts, I need your opinion on this really inexpensive mod that I'm just not too sure about. This is the completed product. It has that pattern, which makes it stand out even more. As you saw, it was super easy to install. It'll definitely do its job, which is to protect the door and to protect not only the spider, but my other car, or any car for that matter. Just don't know how it looks. I don't believe they had a clear, and if they did, I don't know that the clear would look any better per se. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, would you keep this mod or get rid of it? It was like an $8 to $10 mod, so if I got rid of it, it's really no big deal. Maybe it'll grow on me. I'm not sure. Right now it's just okay, and typically when things are just okay, that means no. But you know, I'm gonna give it a chance here, and I'll leave it on for a little bit and see what happens. But please, I would love to know your opinion on this mod. And here's some specifics for the trim work. Reorder number is EJ3DDIY. And I'm thinking that this red trim work will look great in the interior of any vehicle, but since my spider is all black, I'm thinking some trim work right along here as well as on each door might sprucing things up. So let's go ahead and get this installed. And these are the 3 tools that you're going to need to install the interior colored trim work. And that is a little plastic putty that is supplied with the trim work, box cutter, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so I'm going to install the red trim right underneath this section here. I have measured and already cut the trim to size. A little bit of advice. On the corner, you may want to cut it to a 45-degree angle, not a complete straight cut, just 45 degree. I think it'll give it a more finished look. Let's go ahead and it's really, really simple. Don't even need the putty. So this section here under the vent is going to be a little loose by comparison to this side over here. It starts to firm up a little bit. So I'm just wedging it in with my fingers. The product is soft, so you won't walk away with your fingers hurt or anything like that. Just making sure that it's in. And that's it. When installing this product, make sure the smooth side is facing up, rigid side facing down. So it's as simple as going to the edge, and all I'm doing now is dry fitting it. Just want to make sure that there's no ripples, make sure it's butting up to the edge. Now you know exactly how much you need. I will take a scissors, pull it out a little bit, and just cut at about a 45-degree angle. And then press it in. I just like to pass my finger through it a few times just to make sure it's in secure. And that is it. That is the extent of the complexity of installing this product, which from a visual perspective, I think it gives you a phenomenal bang for your buck. And here's a quick overview of the fully installed interior red trim. Now, few products really wow me. This particular one absolutely did. Not only was it super easy to install, it looks phenomenal. It matches very well with the existing red little accents that the car has, including the Fiat badge. And here's a quick look of the dash. Now I didn't go crazy with the red trim. I just decided to do a subtle splash of color in this all black interior. And I think it just looks really classy. It looks really, really nice in a subdued fashion, which is what I was looking for. And here is the passenger door. Again, I absolutely recommend this product. Out of the 3 mods thus far, this is my favorite because it produces the biggest and instant visual impact. And with those 3 sections done, this is how much product I have left over. It's almost enough to apply it to the 3 sections again. And the reason why I say that is because I have read reviews that for some owners, the color faded out after a certain amount of time. Then again, other owners have claimed that they have had the product installed in their vehicle for years without any issues with respect to fading. In my opinion, I have product left over where I can reinstall. And if at the end of the day, the product fades, it was a $10 to $15 mod, I will absolutely buy it again and reinstall if I have to. So those are my 3 relatively inexpensive and easy to install modifications. Please let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. I think based on the video footage, you know which one was mine. I would also like to know if you have any recommendations with regard to inexpensive and easy to install modifications. Now with that said and with that done, this video was an absolute blast to make. And as always, till the next one, drive safely.